Bird event, and this is our club president, John Julian. John, can you say something about the event today?
Sure. We have an annual trophy that is we've been going for quite a few years in memory of John Bird, who was actually the instigator of the men's shed part of indoor aviation, and also getting the Waverley Hall here. And since that time, we've expanded to 4 total flying sites: one at Frankston, one here at Waverley, one at Mullum, and one at Donvale. One at Knox. The competition is a fun competition. They're kids gliders with a little electric motor and a timer, and the trick is to trim them so that they fly as long as possible without hitting the wall or falling behind the wall or otherwise getting destroyed or damaged. But they're very bouncy. They're going to be a lot of fun.
And was John Bird the originator of indoor aviation?
Well, he
in
was,
Australia?
He wasn't the originator of indoor aviation, but we used to fly at a site in Sandringham, and John was a member then. He was concerned about the fact that we had no insurance, and he and I think it was Lou were the people who discovered that we could become a special membership of the Australian Men's Shed Association, and that gets us insurance and coverage and so forth. And of course, councils love to provide sites for elderly folks in the Men's Shed Association. So it's
excellent,
worked out very well.
Beautiful idea. Thank you.
Okay.
So the boys are just preparing for the 11 o'clock event, and they're practicing like crazy with these little gliders. And that's Lou. Were you one of the originators of this event, or proposed this event?
Well, each year we have to come up with something different, and so that this year we've had something similar in the past, and now
like what was similar?
Well, it's mainly it was. I'm trying to think of that event now, where it was a similar plane, but it had a capacitor in it.
Wow!
And you had that's all you had is a short flight, and so it was more like a glider with a capacitor in it, and you got a short flight, and yeah, it was a similar thing.
Thank you, Lou. Thank you, Lou. First, indoor aviation competition, John Bird event, sorry.
John Bird was the initial president. He was the one that started indoor aviation.
That was in which year?
That was in about 12 years ago.
Wow.
Right. And he passed away from cancer, and this has been done in his memory. So
very good.
And his wife will be here later to pass the cup out, hand the cup out.
May he rest in peace.
Yes, and we've got a keeper for the winner. A little keeper as well for the winner.
That's the keeper.
That's the keeper.
Here we go.
So whoever gets that wins the...
Are you flying today, Ian?
No, I'm not. No.
Ian's a good flyer. He makes his own models. And guess what? Ian's... if you guess... Can I guess your age, Ian?
You can guess my age, yeah.
Ian's 85 years old, and look how young he looks.
That's a good guess, yeah. 85 years young. Okay.
And this is the Waverley Stadium, and everyone's enjoying themselves with the red gliders. These gliders are from Kmart, are they, Ian?
They're from overseas. I'm not sure where
okay.
they were bought from. AliExpress.
Yeah. Thank you.
There he is.
Start of the event.
Oh, good one. Oh, sorry, I missed one.
You get another. No, I know. His run launching. I think he won the contest last year.
That's going to be luckier than beautiful, isn't it? Oh, perfect. Wow.
Very good, Ron.
15.67.
No, it didn't hit it. It did now.
Quite bloody well, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Pretty close to what I guess might be the best. I'm pleased to announce that David Bennett.
Go, David.
Yeah. Second and third flights were 28.3 and 28.67 seconds. David Bennett.
And he's the winner.
What a surprise.
Come forward and get presented.